You're ambitious. You've got goals, dreams, Notion templates, and 3 different productivity apps. And yet, somehow you're always busy but never actually caught up. You start your day thinking, today's the day I get things done. But by 9 p.m., you're exhausted, and your to-do list still looks like it's taunting you. You were moving all day, but deep down, it feels like nothing moved forward. Here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're maxed out. It's not that you're doing nothing. You're doing too much, all at once. Too many tabs open. And I don't just mean on Chrome. I mean in your life. Career tab, health tab, call mom tab, pay bills, fix your sleep, be successful, be happy, all at once. And the worst part, most of your day is spent on things that don't even matter. Because being busy feels productive, even when it isn't. Reorganizing your closet doesn't mean you're building your dreams. Checking emails all day doesn't mean you're making progress. Multitasking doesn't mean you're efficient. It means your brain's running a marathon while juggling flaming swords. Every time you switch tasks, your brain takes 20 minutes to refocus. So if you're wondering why you feel drained after doing nothing all day, that's why. Ambition is great, but it also makes overwhelm worse. Because you don't just want to do things, you want to do them perfectly, immediately, and all at once. That's how burnout sneaks in, quietly, with a to-do list and a smile. So what's the fix? Do less, but better. Pick 1 to 3 things that actually matter each day. Do them fully. No distractions. Deep focus. The rest, let it be noise. Because that's what it is. You don't need another planner. You don't need a new app. You need to stop trying to do everything and finally start doing what matters. Even your phone overheats when too much is running. Why wouldn't your brain? So next time you feel overwhelmed, ask yourself, what's one thing that if I finished it today would make me feel proud? Then block off time. Turn off everything. Do that one thing. Fully. That's how progress starts. Not with more hustle, but with more clarity. Doing less isn't laziness. It's leadership of your own mind.